which is the opposite to the morning star pattern. Now, in terms of its definition, the evening star pattern comprises of 3 candles. The first is a white candle, the second is a candle whose color does not matter, and the last one is a black candle. Now, the evening star pattern always occurs at the top of an uptrend, so its purpose is to turn the current uptrend around back into the downwards direction. Now, in terms of the rule for the evening star pattern, the first candle always has to be a white candle. The second candle has to be a small spinning top, which is basically a candle with a small body and small shadows. Now, that candle has to open and close at or above the first white candle's close, which is this line here. Now, the third candle has to be a strong black candle that opens at or below the second candle's close, which is this candle here, and it also has to close more than halfway into the first white candle's real body. So if this black candle closed in this area here, then this pattern would not qualify as an evening star pattern. So in terms of our example, we've got an evening star formation here at the top of the uptrend. So we've got an uptrend that starts here and it goes all the way up to this price level. Now, the first candle in the formation is this white candle here. Now, this might not be a strong white candle, but because it is a white candle, we can start our formation. Because remember, the shadows can overlap. It is the bodies that we're more focused on when we're looking into the evening star pattern. The second candle is a small spinning top that opened and closed above the first white candle's close. And lastly, we've got a strong black candle that opened below the second candle's close and also closed more than halfway into the first white candle's real body. So you can see that the formation of this pattern has halted the uptrend and turned the market back around into the downwards direction. So one thing that you must not do is place a sell every time that you see an evening star pattern. The reason why is because this kind of pattern occurs in the market quite regularly and we need a lot more confirmation to take this trade. So as always, if you have any questions or any comments, do let us know and we shall see you in the next lesson.